Hello, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you're new, please consider subscribing and please remember to click the thumbs up button for me. And I want to thank all of you that come by and watch my videos regularly. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the comments that you leave. It really does mean so much to me. And oops, there's my dishwasher. I have the SinglesSwag box. I don't get this on a monthly basis, and I only got it this one time because they do offer like $15 off your first box. And there was, I don't even remember now what it was, something in here I really wanted. And to me, now this box is, I think, $39. And personally, I do not feel like this box is worth $39. It is worth, when you do the 15 off, it is worth $25. But yeah, I'm not paying $39 for this box. But I did get it the 1 month to show you all. And I think it was this scarf that I got that I wanted to show you all. I have gotten it in the past a time or two, and I do remember they always sent some kind of little treat. And I think they even consider it, yeah, they even count this like worth $4. I was going to say, I think they even count the treat as part of your box. They say this box retails for $211. And it does, like I said, it is, I think, $39 is the regular price. And you might not agree. You might think it's worth $39 to you. But personally, it is just not worth that much to me. If I had plenty of money to basically throw away, okay, maybe. But I don't. And I just don't think it's worth that much money. But let's see what we got. I got the Dazzling Molly Jacob Dazzling Illuminator. Let me find this. Here it is. It says this retails for $26. Give your skin a soft and natural looking glow. Can be added to your foundation, primer, or moisturizer, or simply used on its own. So this is an illuminator, and yeah, it says $26, and it looks like this. Oops. And it's pink. I don't know if you can see it. Let me find a place on my arm so you can see the pink there. And that went a long ways, that little dab I put there. So that is that. And again, that retails for $26. And then I got, they always put some kind of jewelry in the box, and I have never seen the jewelry that they put in the box work to me. I just can't see the price that they claim it's worth. Like this one, it's cute. Purple is my favorite color, but it does look really fragile. I don't know if you can see. It just looks like that would pull out of there because it just, I mean, it looks really super fragile. But they say this retails for $62. Add style and elegance to your collection with this chic pear-shaped natural amethyst stone necklace and earring set. Finished in sterling silver. The necklace measures 17 inches long with a 3-inch extender. And I mean, it's cute, but I personally would not pay $62 for it. But then again, like I said, we all have different tastes, and it might be different for you. But just for me, I wouldn't. But I don't have tons of money, so I am kind of frugal. And then we have the little scrubby thing for your, and this Daily Concepts, this retails for $11. It's pretty much self-explanatory. It's the scrubby You scrub your face with it. I mean, it's okay. We all need things like that from time to time. And I think this is what I really liked. This thing, it's a summer scarf from Headbands of Hope. And I mean, it comes in this pretty little mesh bag. It says this retails for $34. Accent your look all year long with this silky, soft, lightweight accessory that can be worn in a variety of ways. Best of all, for every Headband of Hope product sold, including yours, a headband is donated to a child with cancer. And I actually thought this was like several headbands, because the white and the blue, I thought it was different colored headbands. But I'm still happy with it. I think it's really cute. It's a very lightweight scarf, so it'd be nice for as the weather starts changing a little bit. There's chilly evenings or something, but that's not gotten really cold yet. Oops. Things are just not going my way. I just keep dropping stuff, and my computer keeps shutting, my camera keeps shutting off, and things just keep not going my way. But I'm not going to give up, because I got videos to make. And then I got these pack of 4 soaps. I don't know if you can see that. There's 4 bars of soap. I guess, let's see, what is this? It's a 4-piece beauty bar soap set. It says this retails for $22. Love your skin with this gentle ultra moisturizing bar soap set featuring 4 individually wrapped bar soaps, each in a distinctive fragrance. Good quality soap is one of life's simple but important luxuries. And then we got Hannah Sienna Purifying Charcoal Mask. Retails for $34. It says this mineral-rich purifying mask works to gently exfoliate, remove impurities, and soothe tired skin. The formula is designed to enhance overall skin condition while improving elasticity through thoroughly clean skin prior to use for most effective results. So, I mean, it's basically, I'm sure you've seen charcoal clay mask before, so I mean, it's basically a normal size that we can expect to get. And then we got, sometimes I give books. That one other time I got this subscription had a book in it, and I actually really think this is a cool book. I was even thinking about maybe doing some videos of reading this book from time to time. It says, Chasing the Bright Side, Embrace Optimism, Activate Your Purpose, and Write Your Own Story. Does that not sound beautiful? I like that. And I looked at the book, and oh yeah, this is from the founders of Hope. That is just really cool. And let's see, where is this? It retails for $18, and again, this box retails for $211 is what they say the retail value of all of these things are. And okay, it might be to some people. Y'all know me, I'm not judgmental. I'm not, if you think that something's worth it, there's just, we all have different taste. To me, like I said, if I had tons of money, I wouldn't hesitate to spend that on it and like what I like and give away what I don't. But I don't, so. But I did want to get the 1 month to show you all. Oh yeah, and the single swag, yeah, I've had several people ask, do you have to be single? No, you don't. It is, I don't know why they named it that, honestly, but I know a lot of married people who get this box, or people who have girlfriends, boyfriends, whatever, get this box. You don't have to be single. That's just the name of the box. But I just thought y'all might like to hear some of this book. So success is not born out of skill, where we're from, who we are, or what we scored on the SAT. None of us was born ready, but we are born with optimism, the initial seed for success. Optimism fuels the belief that you can be the one to create the good the world needs, but you've got to hone it and practice it and determine to live from it. I just think this is going to be a really cool book. So what do y'all think? Would you like me to read some of this book from time to time and read from it? Maybe a chapter. I mean, they're really short chapters. Maybe a chapter at a time or something. I think it's a really cool book. I love reading books that basically have a purpose. I don't really read fiction anymore, because I think, to me, I want to read things that actually, again, I'm not judging if you like fiction. I just don't. I used to love fiction, but to me, when I read, I don't get time to read very often, so when I do read, I want it to be something that is good for the soul. I want it to be something that might teach me something. And so let me know what y'all think. Would you like me to read a little bit of that book from time to time? When, like I said, I know I'm a little bit behind on videos. I am trying. I like to post something at least daily, and I think it's been like 2 days since I've posted, and I haven't been able to post daily the last couple weeks because I've been so busy with Levi and his school. But let me know what you think about that, because I think I would like to read that for y'all, and as I read it, just read it basically out loud for the camera and for y'all, because that is a book I'm going to read. So let me know what you all think, if you would like to hear it, and I appreciate you all so much. And until next time, I will see you all later. Love you all. Bye bye.